I'm back. Guess who's back again. It's Roof Rock. It's Roof. Okay. Guys, I'm back. I'm better, and I'm ready to work.
Bad girls need loving too. Show me what you're into. My heart's been torn into pieces, so you know that I need this. Me and you, it could be me and you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I haven't posted in a while. You already know the vibes. I'm back. Why do I always put on this stupid American accent? I'm English.
Really, nigga?
Let me just remind myself I'm English. It's too much TikTok. Oh my days. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you. Just saying this beforehand, ignore my lace. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to see it in the comments. I don't want to see nothing. I know it's slightly chatting. Jump scare. Why is it when my ring light is on, my lace is saying shine bright like a diamond?
I don't find you funny.
Let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so let me just put my little headband. I put it on the wrong way. Yes, I did. I just like to start off by putting some moisturizer on my face. This is the moisturizer I use. It's the Blemish Breakthrough e.l.f. Pump that here, 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 and here. And rub it in with my fingers. I never really put makeup on my forehead, apart from my eyebrows, but I am still gonna moisturize my forehead. I'm then gonna go in with a simple Vaseline, just a little bit, and put that on my face, just to get that glowy look. Then I'm gonna go in with my setting spray and spray that all on my face. And wait for this to dry before I continue to the next step. Once this is all dry, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Studio Fix foundation in the color NW55. Do you know what? Yeah, I feel like my camera hates me sometimes because it really just be defocusing from my, what's that? It really just be defocusing from my face sometimes. It just loves to violate me. This is a bit much foundation. It's giving Meredith. Yeah, I find that when I use this flat brush, it applies more evenly spread across my face. Want to make sure that the sides on the chin are blended in as well. I'm then gonna go in with my concealer. This is the e.l.f. Tan Natural. Psych, I'm not. I'm then gonna go in with the Kiko Milano. I forgot what shade this is, but I will put it in the comments down below. In. That's that stuff. If you're trying to look nice and moisturized. Again, I love using this brush to apply this to my face. Going over it with my sponge just to make sure if there's any creases, they're gone. We don't want a crackly face. In this case, I feel like less is more. You don't really need a lot of concealer. But I will do another layer in a minute. Again, with my little brush, I'm gonna smoothen it out on my face before I blend it in with my beauty blender. This is why I love this concealer, because it's proper full coverage. Like, it's giving what it should give. And it always does. I feel like when I go in with the beauty blender, some of the product comes off. Like, say for example, you see this side looks a bit darker than that side now. Just in the corners. Now I'm gonna really lightly tap, because I'm not really trying to blend it all out, just the sharp edges. Because I do love a bright under eye. I'm just gonna spray it with some setting spray. Once this is dry, I'm gonna go in with my powder. This is my Revolution powder, but the tag has faded off. I'm gonna try and not get creases underneath my eye. and literally just tap this on. This will give you that bright under eye. I'm literally just lightly applying this onto my face. I don't want there to be too much. After I've done this, I'm literally just gonna press it into my face using this powder puff. I'm then gonna go in with my Benai powder in the color Topaz to warm up my face just a little bit. I'm gonna put this one on the powder puff and put the excess on my hand. Then I get a little ombre going on. And just to add some contour. Call me ghetto if you want, but I'm about to show you what I use to do my blush. I just use my little Real Technique brush. You're all probably thinking like, why are all her brushes mini? I just love my mini brushes. Leave me to it. So I'm just gonna put this lipstick, Call Me Ghetto if you like, on here, on the brush, and just put that on my cheeks. Cause I love a real pink look. I used to cuss everyone for putting blush on their face until I tried it and I was thinking, raw, this actually makes the best difference. Like, it really brings life to my face where my face looks a bit dull. It gives what it's supposed to give, you know? Then gonna go over this with my beauty blender just to blend everything in. Now I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be and gel these brows up. I'm not really gonna gel them too much, just a little bit. My eyebrows aren't done right now, so it's really no point of making them look too good. I really do need to shut my window because I know you guys can hear this person doing their lawn outside. I'm gonna go shut it. Hate being bothered whilst I'm doing my makeup. I'm just literally gelling them up and calling it a day. So I use the MAC Studio Fix 24-hour contour for my contour. Let me just wipe off some of this baking powder. This is literally on its last leg, so I've got to dig in the crannies and the crevices of this stick just to get a little something on there. Once again, I'm gonna go in with my powder puff and just make sure that under eye is really blended in. So I just got this from Beauty Forever. It's literally the hair shop lip liner, and I'm literally just gonna line my lips. How I would usually line them. I actually do too much with the lip liner, but this is how I like it. And then again, with a lip gloss I got from the hair shop, I'm just gonna put that in the center. I've got this glow oil that I bought from Temu or Temu, however you say that. I don't know how to pronounce it. And I like my stuff extra glossy. So I'm just gonna put this on top. Clean off the excess. And as I said, extra glossy. Gonna go in again with my hair shop lip gloss and just put that on top. And this is the finished look. The blend is giving dewy, it's giving sun-kissed, it's giving everything it should give. Well, that's all from me, guys, today. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. You already know the vibes. I'm gonna comment down below in the description all of the products that I used so that you can get this soft glam look. This is even softer than soft glam. This is really giving, I think this is like a natural makeup look, to be honest. All right, the Rocs family, see you in my next video.
Bad girls need loving too. Show me what you're into. My heart's been torn into pieces, so you know that